fashion friends and family. This is Stacy Stube from SEW BROMO. We are a fashion entrepreneur hub based in Baltimore, Maryland, USA. And I am here to invite you on this entrepreneurial path to be able to navigate the challenging new ways to enter the market. And this is, I say it's challenging, but it's also a great opportunity because that makes space for people with ideas that are not being served by larger companies to go to market, to be able to compete. Now, what we find is that many of the individuals that are starting this journey do not come from a traditional fashion background, so they're playing a bit of catch up. So that's why we are here, in order to bridge that knowledge, but also work together with you to strategize your best course of action in order to launch efficiently. Also, what we found is that with these second lifers, as we call it, they're usually in their 30s or 40s, some are older, but that means you have a runway maybe of 10 to 20 years to build what it is you're creating within this fashion enterprise. You don't have as much time as an early stage fashion designer or someone who's in fashion school. They have time over the years to kind of make mistakes, figure things out, work for other companies. Most of the people we find that are working with our Entrepreneur Hub are people that are already established within other industries, and they're looking to kind of pilot ideas that they have utilizing sewing methods. And so we have different ways to support you. We have the Fashion Entrepreneur Incubator that provides a mixture of online co-working sessions. Then that also allows you to have your one-on-one call with me once a month for 1 hour so that you can discuss kind of your next steps. And then we have about a 1.5 hour training with our incubator and the other fellows to discuss specialized knowledge. Our next conversation for our upcoming training is about competitions, so venture competitions, and then crowdfunding. So we look forward to sharing a lot more resources and content with you. We will have an upcoming podcast called Sew Money. And yeah, I will also include in this video a little tour of our facility here in Baltimore. Here's a bit of your behind the scenes view of Baltimore. This is our classroom and conference room for meetings and trainings. Out here we have the converted garment factory turned into Entrepreneur Hub. So Bromo looks forward to supporting the next generation of mindful, impact-driven fashion entrepreneurs, all the way from Baltimore to the world. See you next time.